I'm building a tiny vacation home on wheels.
Shut up and sit down.
So I'm in Tucson this morning and it's kind of, I don't know, not the best weather. It's overcast, it's like 40 degrees, it's wet. It's not uncomfortable, but you know, I'm trying to get to Saguaro National Park. That's really the main reason I came down to Tucson. So today I'm just driving around for about an hour or two, just kind of exploring the different trailhead opportunities. I was just at the Sabino Canyon Trail. They have a little shuttle that takes you up, or you can hike up there if you have a couple hours. So I'll definitely come back to Tucson and, you know, explore the area. I think if I'm coming from Texas, I could take the 10 freeway, like come out from El Paso area up through Las Cruces and then Tucson and then head north if I'm going to go up to like the Grand Canyon or up into Utah. So just kind of exploring, getting my bearings. It's kind of like a rocky road. So I think I'm just going to turn around right here in this neighborhood and head on to the next place, which I think it's Saguaro. Let me just double check here. I'm trying to figure out. I have two phones. I think everybody should have two phones. So I'm going to, Seven Falls. So yeah, I think I head to the waterfall. And maybe that would be worthy of a hike. I think these are just normal hikes that I can pretty much do when I come back, probably in a couple weeks. So yeah, so then I'm going to go to Seven Falls, and then I'm going to Saguaro, and then I have to head about 4 hours to Las Cruces, where I will be this evening, so I can go to the White Sands National Park tomorrow. So yep, so I think I'll skip this. Just wanted to get a preview. Yeah, it's kind of mucky weather. It was nice this morning when it was raining. I just kind of laid in my bed over there. I was just super relaxed and just like, I don't want to get up this morning. So kind of a lazy day, which is good. It's a driving day. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. So let's head to the next place. So I'm driving. I never hold the camera. So anyway, so if you're going to the Seven Falls waterfall in Tucson, it actually on the Google Map directions or the Apple Map directions takes you to a private country club with a very nice security guard who then gives you the correct address, which is 5700 Sabine something something. I will post it in the comments or in the description. Anyway, don't go that way. Go the other way that I will post the address for. So I'm headed to Seven Falls right now. Just basically an easy driving day. I'm not really doing much else today since I do have to get to Las Cruces, which is 6 hours away. So I'm going to go, hopefully be able to stretch my legs for a bit, go do the hike at Seven Falls, and then when I get to Saguaro State Park, I'm going to ride my bike about 10 or 15 miles. So that'll be really nice. There's a couple bike trails. And then just get on the road. So yeah, heading back to Texas this week. Of course, it takes 14 hours to get through Texas, which is basically a 2-day drive if you do stop. So anyway, so just got Bucky with me. Yeah, always. You know, you're from Texas when you have Bucky's garb and memorabilia. All right, so rocky road here. So I'm gonna head to the waterfall.